Okay, I'm gonna add another MIDI track. Okay, let's record this guy. Okay, now I'm gonna add a clap. See what I got. Let's adjust the volume, change the color as well. Okay, now I'm gonna add snare. I'm gonna add snare roll here. Okay, now it's time to add a kick. Let's go and find some. Ooh, I like that. Can we add another percussion maybe? Let's move this guy here. Okay, press F7 to open the direct offline processing window and select the processes. I'm gonna go with reverse. Okay, I want it before the clap. That's dope. Roll off the low frequency. So, sounds like this. I think I want to increase the tempo a little bit more. I want to compose a different section here for this part. Okay, let's go with Okay, that's it for today's beat. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on notification, and share this video to your friends and family and to everybody, and also smash that like button. So these are the 4 things that I request you guys to do before you watch my other videos. Okay, please do this to all the videos that I've made. All right, so thank you for watching and have a